So, I mean, in super basic terms, though, we've got our MOSFET switch plugged into the Arduino, and the sketch that we're running is basically just toggling the power on and off. Right?
Think of it as a way to... so you understand that a motor will change its speed with a change in voltage, right? Like if you give it 5 volts, it runs slower than giving it 20.
Right.
So this is sort of a way for the Arduino to do that. But it doesn't have any way of outputting an analog voltage. It can only turn on and off. So if you turn on and off very quickly, and you're only doing that for part of the time,
you can fake it?
yeah, so... So you see this? It's making a square wave. And the square wave is the same frequency, but the pulse is longer and shorter. The shorter the pulse, the slower the motor moves. The longer the pulse, the longer the faster it's moving.
I gotcha.
So basically, if it's always on, then it's getting the full 12 volts. But if it's smaller, if it's a smaller pulse, it's approximating a smaller voltage. So if the pulse is on for 50% of the time, then it's seeing more like 6 volts.
So with our setup here, we've got the red and blue wires coming down from our power supply, running into the MOSFET switch, which is plugged into the Arduino. Then on the other side of the MOSFET switch, we've got the 2 orange and red wires, which run out to power the servo. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. And the 4 prongs from the MOSFET switch are plugged into ground and
It's ground and the
digital
signal output from the Arduino.
The digital outputs? Yeah.
It's just one digital output.
But it's 3 prongs. What's up with that?
Because the two adjacent pins to the ground pin aren't actually PWM outputs.
Oh, okay.
So they won't let you do this pulse thing
Gotcha.
easily.
Gotcha.
So it's just a 4-pin header